Turn on. To start or activate a device or a light. Please turn on the television. It's time to watch the news. Look up. To search for information in a reference source or online. I need to look up the definition of that word in the dictionary. Take care of. To look after or be responsible for someone or something. She takes care of her younger siblings while her parents are at work. Look forward to. To anticipate or be excited about something in the future. I'm looking forward to going on vacation next month. Break down. To stop functioning or collapse mentally or emotionally. She broke down in tears when she heard the bad news. Carry out. To perform or complete a task or action. The scientists carried out an experiment to test their hypothesis. Bring up. To mention or raise a topic in conversation. She brought up the issue of pollution in the meeting. Give up. To stop doing or trying something. After multiple failed attempts, she finally gave up on learning to play the piano. Come across. To find or encounter something by chance. I came across an old photo album while cleaning out the attic. Get along. To have a harmonious relationship or rapport with someone. Despite their differences, they manage to get along very well. Take off. To remove or discard something quickly or rapidly. Become successful. She took off her jacket when she entered the warm room. Put off. To postpone or delay something. They had to put off the meeting until next week, due to scheduling conflicts. Call off. To cancel something that was planned. They called off the football match due to bad weather. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.